Well, happy Wednesday. Snow and cold on the way, so enjoy today's mild temps and some sunshine. But that cold, before a few folks say, oh, so much for global warming, has gotten less severe and doesn't last nearly as long. In fact, this is showing 20s below zero, how many we get in a season over time since 1873. 1800s, we used to average 5 to 7 per winter. Now, we average 0 or 1 in recent decades. So, while we are going to have some cold temperatures early next week, will we get to 20 below? It's possible, but probably only 1, maybe 2 at the most. And the last time we had the historical average of 3 in a season was 2019, and since then, not since 1996. So it's becoming very rare to get this kind of cold, but we can already start to see the cold. Notice on this water vapor satellite loop, you can kind of see the cold pushing south, and our next batch of moisture headed our way. You can blame Greenland, this blocking pattern in the upper levels of the atmosphere ahead of that storm that gave the Northeast all that snow, is pushing warm air into the poles, and that's going to dislodge that cold towards us. It's going to touch off some snow tomorrow too, but because this cold air is moving so fast, not a lot of snow for us. It looks like more as it pushes east, and then rain on the southern end. So about 1 to 3 max for the Twin Cities, but you can see as you go further east, that's where they'll see more snow east and northeast. Of course, up towards the lakes and Great Lakes, and further west, very little even in the Dakotas, where that cold is just going to kind of spill south. So here's the timing of it. Now, late tonight, we could see an icy mixture. Temperature's going to be right near freezing, so watch out for that with some freezing drizzle, maybe a mix, and then brief shot of snow. We're talking probably about 3 to 10 a.m. That's going to be it, and then it mostly wraps up, moves on quickly. Winds shift rapidly. Temperatures are going to drop through the day, so you'll see the high temperature tomorrow is around freezing. That's going to be early in the morning. By the evening hours, we'll be in the teens. So if you want to enjoy some milder temperatures, though it will be snowing, do it early. This is the European model. This is pretty average of the models. Looks like about 1 to 3. I think most of us will get 1 or 2 in the metro. Better chance of slightly higher amounts further east into western Wisconsin. But here's the NAM model. It is still showing a back edge of some slightly heavier axis of snowfall total. So that's why it is possible we could see some 3-inch amounts in some of the eastern parts of the metro or western Wisconsin. But again, this is going to be moving so quick. It's going to be hard to get a lot out of it. Winds are going to be gusty today out of the south today, though, bringing in some milder temperatures, keeping the mild air around today into tonight. But then tomorrow, watch the shift. Gusty winds coming in out of the northwest as that Arctic air moves in, and it's going to stick around for a while. We're talking several days of cold here, fluctuating a bit in terms of intensity, but it is going to be pretty chilly. And then those winds will finally slowly die down Friday into Friday night. But Friday's going to be pretty cold. Here's wind gusts tomorrow afternoon, 30 to 45 miles an hour off to the west, probably around 30 miles an hour here in the metro. So that by the evening, when those temperatures drop into the teens, it's going to feel pretty cold. Below zero is what it will feel like by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. So here comes that cold, a chunk of it dislodged, and that's going to kind of just float around here, the central part of the U.S. and the continent into next week. So these are low temperatures Friday, back below zero in northern Minnesota. We stay above zero here in the metro, but by the time we head into Saturday, Sunday, Monday, probably Tuesday mornings, all looking sub-zero. Wind chills, those are going to be brutal to the north. 20s below zero Friday morning, below zero here, but it gets worse as things cool off even more heading into Monday. These are the lows Monday. Teens below. Some of the models are spitting out 20s below zero, 30s to near 40 below zero actual temperatures to the north, and then wind chills are going to be pretty brutal. Not a lot of wind, but just enough of a breeze Monday where we're talking 40s below zero is what it'll feel like to the north, and 20s to 30 below zero for a wind chill here, even in the Twin Cities Monday. So it is going to get very cold around here, and it's sticking around again into a good chunk of next week. So falling temperatures through the day tomorrow. Again, mostly morning snow, late tonight into tomorrow morning, 1 to 2, maybe an outlier 3-inch amount, and then temperatures in the teens by the evening. Just around 10 Friday, still pretty breezy though, so that wind chill is going to be cold through the day, and then even colder heading into Sunday, Monday, where we could be looking at those temps dropping to the lowest levels in a couple of years. So get ready for that.